This is their official website, Honeygain. So basically, this application, this company, because it's available as well on Google Play and for Windows, coming soon for iPhones. Okay, stay tuned. First of all, let me show you the maximum you can earn per month. Doing nothing, okay? You literally do nothing. This is how much you're gonna earn. If you keep your phone 24/7, you're gonna earn up to $50 per month doing nothing. That's with one phone. Okay? If you have multiple phones, for example, if you have 10 phones, you're gonna earn up to $500 per month. Realistically, you will earn about $20-25 per month with a single phone, okay? Doing nothing. With a PC, you might reach 50, but you have to push a lot of traffic into their network. So realistically speaking, $20-25 in a month with one device has been done. Here's the payment proof. As you can see, super legit company. No payment proof posted by one of our members on beermoneyforum.com. You can read as well more reviews about this company. I will leave you guys the first link in the description so you can check it out. So like I said, having a couple phones, I've seen people with 20 phones, 50 phones. Phone farming, yes. They earn a decent income, some more than $1,000 per month, okay? It's possible, and there's people doing it. So why you cannot try it? Nobody can stop you, right? So, like I said, this app is available as well on Google Play. There you go. Honeygain, make money from home. So pretty much, you have to share your internet. Install the app on more devices, different locations, they don't care, and get paid by PayPal at the moment. They will add bank payments and gift cards pretty soon. You're gonna earn 10% from your referrals, okay? If you invite your friend and he earns $100, you will receive $10 referral commission. In case you're wondering if your personal data is safe, yes, it's safe. They don't store any of the data. They only store your email address and your IP address, how much traffic you make per month, and how you want to get paid. That's the only information they store. This is how credits are calculated. So basically, you earn 1 credit for every 10 megabytes of traffic that goes to Honeygain. So for 10 gigs, you earn $1, okay? You can expect usage of up to 2 gigs per day. However, if your network speed is very good, you can reach a maximum of 15 gigs per day, okay? That means $1.5 per day. That's the maximum. Since 10 gigs, it's equal $1, 15 gigs means $1.5 per day. Does Honeygain network usage interfere with everyday data usage? So pretty much you shouldn't feel any difference because Honeygain runs in the background, and they said that Honeygain should never use more than 10% of your available network bandwidth, okay? I like this company. It's a smart way earning cash. Pretty much you earn money doing nothing. It's really possible. We have payment proofs available. Check more reviews on beermoneyforum.com. We'll leave you guys the first link in the description. Check the app, join it, test it for a week, for a month, come back on beermoneyforum.com, share your recent payment proof, and share as well your referral link, gain more referrals, and this way you're gonna earn a lot more with Honeygain. If you have any questions regarding this application, let me know. Come on beermoneyforum.com. You can also ask their support. They are very active. And pretty much this is it, guys. There's nothing else to say. I hope you enjoyed the review. Like I said, it's a great application. Give it a try. If you have any suggestions for me for future videos, leave a comment below. I reply to all my subscribers. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, or a dislike if you haven't. My name is Mr. B, and you can find me every single day on beermoneyforum.com, the place where we help each other to make money online. See you on the forum. Bye-bye.